just turn up there.
13, 29, 39.
So non-obstructing condition is, I just love the 18. What's not to love? 18 travel and our racing car. Plus a real top rate with $2,000. I was like, seriously? And it's a big thing. Yeah, it's a big thing. Mitsubishi has deals you can't keep to yourself.
I'm doing 102. This truck's passing. There's a car length behind me before. There he's overtaken.
Pages.com.au, they'll help you get there. Got a praying in Hawthorne now, Ledbury Road, not far from Bacchus Road, and now Waverley on Huntingdale Road and Solomon Street. One outbound on the Wasted Freeway, Brookbank near Hopkins Road. Massive hold-ups back on the Deer Park bypass, also pushed back onto the Brink Road. Behind the West Gates east up the city and the tunnel looking a little healthier. Still queues through Pascavale South out of Coburg on Mill Street, trying to get onto the tunnel, and heavy going on the east and both ways around Bulleen Road. The advantage is all yours during Toyota Buyer's Advantage with great value on selected Toyota models. For more information, see your Toyota dealer now or search Toyota Value. That's Gold Bay 4.3 traffic.
Go bonkers in Honkers. Flight to Hong Kong returned from $799. The world is always on sale at Flight Centre. Call 131 600.
Gold by 4.3, it's Jonesy Demander's Afternoon Delight still to come.
We've discovered that many people we work with have very strange, crazy phobias. Does that make me crazy? We take your calls as well.
On Gold.
No way we're coming to this one. Look at this truck.
Oh my god. That's hazard, isn't
That's
it?
terrible.
That's very poor.
Bacchus marsh produce.
Yeah. That's poor.
That is terrible. Cutting the car off.
That's short. It's got no bloody respect. Look, just flying.
What a bore.
Speeding badly.
No one's having the full still beside him. Hey, would he have cut me off?
Yeah.
And made me hit the brakes?
I'm so impatient. Oh my god, he's so dead in here.